This help question seldom appear in a DSE exam already. It's because there is a trick that you can assign some value for theta, let's say 3 degree, and then you get substitute into your target, you get the value, and then you can substitute into 4 options and see which option give you the same value. So, but anyway, I'm going to use the typical method to explain how we get the answer. To know this, you have to know we define based on the original trigonometric ratio. We try to use some definition to define not only 90 degrees but more than 90 degrees. So related to x-axis, that means related to 0 plus minus or 180 plus minus theta, then we use this figure. Related to y-axis, that means related to 90 degree and 270 degree, we have to change the format, so we use this figure. 180 degree is talking about from our polar axis we rotate 180 and then we rotate theta more, so it is in the third quadrant. We know that cosine will give you negative value of the original cosine, so this will just give you negative and then cosine theta. We finish this part, and also we have another item we have to simplify. So related to 90 degree basically you learn it in junior form. 90 degree minus theta, we know that the opposite and adjacent is swapped, that's why sine will become cosine. So afterward, then we can just plug in into our calculation. We have sine square theta, and then this become negative cosine theta, so we have minus 2 cosine theta minus 2. Sine 90 degree minus theta, we get cosine theta, so this become cosine theta and then plus 1. In this expression, we find out that only sine is different from other items. This is cosine. And we know that sine square theta is related to cosine by the identity. Sine square theta plus cosine square theta is always equal to 1. Given that the angle are the same, sine square theta plus cosine square theta must equal to 1, which means that sine square theta can be rewritten as 1 minus cosine square theta. Therefore, we have 1 minus cosine square theta minus 2 cosine theta minus 2. And then we just follow our step. Negative cosine square theta minus 2 cosine theta and then minus 1. Extract negative, we have cosine square theta plus 2 cosine theta plus 1, which is a complete square. Therefore, we factorize it, cosine theta plus 1 bracket square. And then we just cross out because they are the same. So the answer is negative cosine theta minus 1. So see whether we have this answer, we have the answer D here. So that's how we solve it.